So once again, plugin killer update WordPress 5.8 is here, inspired by jazz artist tatum. I can really see WordPress going really hard on page builders and a lot of plugins by making Gutenberg very powerful and adding a lot of native functionality to the WordPress directly instead of using a lot of plugins. So let's find out what is new with WordPress 5.8. So if you log in into WordPress dashboard, you can see this message, WordPress 5.8 is available, please update now. So click on please update now and you will be redirected to the WordPress update page. Then click on update now. So congratulations, you update your website to WordPress 5.8. If you're new here, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and be part of the community to receive the quality content in easy, compact and to the point without wasting any of your time. And thank you to everyone who are already part of the community. So you can see the message here, the next stop on the road to full site editing. They write this because it contains a lot of features to edit the website using block builder. So the first point is manage widgets with blocks. So now you can manage your widgets using blocks. Let me show you. If you hold on appearance and then click on widgets. So this is a brand new widget page. You can add blocks to the widget using block editor. For example, if I click on plus and then I can choose anything which I want to add in my widget section. For example, I click on paragraph, I can add a paragraph. If you want to add image, just click on image and you can choose the image from a media library or you can upload from your computer and the image is added. So you can see it gives you a lot of flexibility and control over your widgets. You can design your widgets completely by block editor. The second thing is display posts with new blocks and patterns. Now if you're using query loops, you can display a post in different patterns. Let me show you. If you're creating a new page and you choose query loop, you can see query loop, it has some patterns now. You can add the standard query loop or image on the left, small image and title or a grid also. You can choose anything from here. It will be added to your WordPress page. The third feature is edit the templates around posts. Before you used to create the page templates which are given by theme or by using some plugins, but now you can create this page template completely by using block editor. This is a really nice feature. This is the workflow helper. Now Gutenberg is even more efficient. So when you are creating a new page, for example, I show you, if you're a new page, you added this query loop, then you add a post list, or for example, you add archive title or anything. So what happens now, if you click here on these three icons, you can see the complete flow of the elements and you can control them in a better way. For example, if I click on query loop, it will select the query loop in the block editor. If I click on archive title, it will select this one. For example, if I am on post template, if I click on post title, the post title is selected. And if I want, I can just move this post title below the featured image. Now we have suggested patterns for blocks. For now, it is available only for query loop and for social icons. If you're in query loop, you can click here and you can see this pattern option. You click on pattern option and you can see the standard image at left, small image and titles, grid, large title, offset. For now, it is available only for query loop and for social icons, but in future, it will be available for more block elements. And then we have style and colorize image. You can apply duotone on your images. For some people, it can be a really nice feature to give a new look for your images on your website. I'm not sure if you're going to use this feature a lot, but it is good to know that we have this feature now. And then we have some new changes for developers to explore. So we will leave this feature for developers to explore. In the end, they're dropping support for Internet Explorer 11. From WordPress 5.8, it will not support the Internet Explorer 11. So it is a good time now if you're still using the old browser to move to a modern browser. Then they added the support for web images. As they said, web images are 30% smaller on average than their JPG and PNG equivalents. In my test, I found you can save up to 90% size. I created a detailed video about that. If you want to learn more about web images, check out the description of the video once you finish watching this video. Then they added the additional block supports. With every version, they are adding more and more support to the block editor. If you want to know how you can update your website without breaking it, check out the video on your screen. If you want to make your website super fast in just 5 minutes, check out this video on your screen. And make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel. A lot of good content is coming on WordPress 5.8. Thank you so much. See you in another video. Have a nice day.